Second part here is when we actually have some real equations involved. Put turn your page to page 15. So I'm going to decide, is this an and or an or? Because it's compound and the x plus 6 is in between, it's an and. So I rewrite it as two inequalities. And I'm going to solve both of them. Just like you would solve, they're fairly simple ones. And then I'm going to graph both. So x is greater than negative 24. So there's negative 24. X is greater than, it's going that way. X is less than or equal to 18. Going that way. So our answer is the overlap. So this part here in the middle. So I'm going from negative 24 to positive 18, just shading that middle part. And that's usually what an and will look like. Second one, it says and, it's already separated, so all I got to do is solve. So x is less than or equal to negative 5. Be careful here, we got some negatives. When I divide by negative 3, I have to switch the inequality. So x is greater than 6. So I have two inequalities. X is greater than 6. X is less than or equal to negative 5. So that's the less than or equal to negative 5. That's the greater than 6. It's and, so I look for overlap. And there is no overlap, so I do not have a solution. If this was an or, I would have a solution. This is an or, so I need to solve both of them. Divide by negative 3. Divide by negative means I change the inequality sign. So I have two graphs. One, n is greater than or equal to 4. N is less than or equal to negative 3. Since it's or, my final answer includes both solutions because we include everything with or. That's your final answer with points on there. I can't make those without PowerPoint jumping around. Oftentimes, this is what the or looks like. Arrows going opposite directions. Okay, number 4, this is also an or. So I'm going to solve both equations first, or both inequalities first. Divide by 5, divide by 5. There's my first one. I'm solving kind of fast, so slow it down and pause it if you need to. So x is less than or equal to 10. So let's put it on the graph. So x is greater than or equal to negative 5. X is less than or equal to 10. Now, I'm graphing everything. If you look at everything, if you put both of these on here, it covers the whole number line. So there's a real number, all real numbers work. Okay, so there's your basic examples. You can pick up a practice worksheet from Mr. Kirkton after the test.